and welcome to one of the first of many Rock Studios video streamings to you from Automation Fair in Boston. I'm Gwen Peters, Director of Innovation and User Experience at Rockwell, and here with me is Arvind Rao, our Vice President of Industry Solutions. With so much to see at Automation Fair, we wanted to jump into the Rock Studios booth to live stream and give you a glimpse of the new industry solutions being shared at the show this year. Thank you all for watching, and Arvind, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to be with us.
Thanks, Glenn.
We're going to talk about industry solutions today, and we've been hearing a lot about digital transformation for years. Is this still the frontier we're navigating? And if so, what's the latest within that frontier, and what are challenges customers are still facing?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. Every customer I speak to is talking about digital transformation. Either they're well on their way, they're doing pilots, and they're looking for results. But the biggest challenge they're facing is data. They all want to know how they can leverage data better, how they can get to the data, how they can access it, how they can contextualize it, and then really drive meaningful action. So data still seems to be the biggest challenge they're facing as they look to accelerate.
That makes sense. I hear the saying all the time, data is the new oil. So how is Rockwell helping customers with data?
Yeah, I mean, we've been a data company for a long time, right? When you look at controls and I/O and everything we do at the control layer, it's all about managing and manipulating data. We're now taking it to the next level, right? So we're trying to bring multiple sources of data together, contextualize it so that raw data by itself is not very useful. Contextualized data, when you can map out relationships between machine data, process data, conditions in the plant, weather data. So we're really bringing all of that together in a new offering called FactoryTalk Data Mosaics, which really will help customers scale and go faster. So all those complex relationships that now were very hard to stitch together individually, we can bring that together all in one place at scale and really liberate that data so that they can go drive meaningful action.
That sounds really powerful. Can you paint us a picture of once customers have their fingers on all of this data that's contextualized and brought together, what is the power of what they can accomplish with that?
Yeah, it goes back to time to value. When we look at digital projects today, about 70 to 80% of the work is the data engineering, collecting it, stitching it together. And so really the power of doing this is just time to value. So customers can leverage the data sets and build applications on top just much faster. I think the other thing is that it makes the operators, the process engineers, it makes all of them so much more powerful. It really augments their capabilities. Many of them have significant domain expertise, but now with this data and information at their fingertips, they just become more powerful. They can do so much more than they could do before. And it helps us also develop solutions faster. So, I think it's a win-win for both our customers and for Rockwell.
So what are some of the things that people can see here on the show floor this week?
Well, it's all about data on the show floor this week, right? So we've launched a variety of solutions across multiple industry verticals. So I'll just start with talking about energy. Sustainability is at top of mind for most manufacturing companies today. And so we have an energy management solution built on top of that data platform. When we start going down different industry verticals, we have a big focus on life sciences. Obviously, we're in Boston, where life sciences is such an important part of the city. And so in our life sciences pavilion, we have a suite of solutions, integrated, built on a unified data platform, all the way from early drug development, helping tech transfer as you move that into commercial manufacturing, solutions that can help bring in process skids and integrate them into an MES or a DCS system, and quality. Life sciences is all about quality, so how do you make sure you have the right batches, the batch quality? So that's a big focus, so life sciences. When we look at automotive and really the transitioning happening with EV, we have pre-built solutions for the EV market to help these customers launch products faster to market, big focus for us. And then when we look at mining and some of our heavy industries, you can see solutions to help improve asset performance. These are asset heavy industries, so making sure they're getting the most out of their assets is really critical. So you can see solutions there. And at the heart of all of this, we've got data, and we have AI embedded into these solutions. So sometimes customers might not even realize that some of the information they're getting back is really AI running in the background, helping them make decisions better.
Sure. Well, Rockwell's strength has always been combining the latest technology with deep industry expertise. So it's not surprising to hear about all these solutions. What really sets us apart from the other solutions on the market?
Yeah, no, that's a very important question. And I'll go back to time to value, right? What we're finding basically with many of these solutions when we deploy this at customers is that what would take months or even years now can be measured in hours or weeks. So there's significant time to value for customers. The other critical things are, you talked about domain expertise. We have people in our company that can really bring industry knowledge and technology domain expertise together, and we're really embedding that into the solution itself. So we're digitizing that domain expertise so that our customers face workforce challenges, right? People leaving the workforce, people with 30, 40 years of domain expertise, when they retire, it's really hard to fill that gap. But that's where our solutions come in, because we're trying to embed that domain expertise right into those solutions itself. And then I'll go back to data, and all of these solutions built on a common data platform, so that customers can really take their digital transformation and really ramp it up, right? Go faster. That's really what's differentiated.
That makes sense. Well, I have to say, industry solutions is one of my most exciting topics about Rockwell, and you don't need to be here to learn about industry solutions this week. You can click on the link in our post to see the online versions of everything Arvind just mentioned. Thank you for watching, and don't go anywhere, because we'll be right back with more to share from Automation Fair.